Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Oh La La France. It's been a while since I posted a video. Sorry about that. Today I'm taking you to Alpes du Grand Serre. It's a region or a ski station not too far from Grenoble or Lyon in Isère for a day trip. For now, we are at a beautiful waterfall just behind me. Let's go check it out. Well, as you can see, the waterfall was surrounded with beautiful flowers and, of course, the butterflies, as you already saw. Max is looking for something special, you will see shortly, and he actually finds it. Well, what could it be? Ta-da! Here it comes! Full of wild blueberries. They're much smaller than the normal ones you get at the store because they're wild, but they were equally tasty.
Let me try some. They're actually good. They're super tiny. Amper tart sweet. I should show you. So we just finished our little baignade in the waterfall, and now we are taking a ice cream and coffee break. What are we eating? Show me. What ice cream?
Chartreuse, un peu citron.
I will try Chartreuse ice cream for the first time. I've tried the drink but not the ice cream. So let's see what it tastes like. I'm sorry I'm a bit low on energy level because it was very sunny. Shut up. Okay. Let me show you what it's like. It's very beautiful actually.
It was a beautiful little pause during our long and sunny day, ice cream and coffee, just perfect. And here we go to the next destination, the lake where everybody swims, but not me because I was too scared. I could not see the bottom of the lake. So I just prefer to stay on the shore because I'm not a very good swimmer, but Max indeed is. So he went ahead and, swam his heart out. And I enjoyed watching him and everybody else who was swimming, and I was just chilling on the bank and enjoying the mountain view. As you can see, they also had several paddle boards free for use for everybody. So you can see two people paddle boarding, well, almost paddle boarding. It's quite easy. I tried it myself, but you have to really be able to balance quite well. Otherwise, you're going to go down very soon.
So I just wanted to share something with you. We are in a really remote village right now, which is pretty far from the city, but still, people here want to be eco-friendly about their lifestyle. That's why they have several different bins so that they can do sorting of the garbage in a proper way. That's it, and we come to the end of our day trip today, and now we head home. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to click on the subscribe button down below right now. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Ciao ciao.